Hello dear, so today we are going to start with the color pencil session. Okay, so the color pencil session we will be doing all the basics, and also today's session the colors we are using is only primary colors and secondary colors. So this picture, if you keep in mind, you will always remember the primary colors and secondary colors. Okay, so for that let's start doing. Okay, so I'm keeping it in portrait mode and making an irregular line like this. After that, we are drawing a curvy line or a semicircle for the sun. Now we will add a lot of slanting lines for the rays of sun. So for that, first I want you to start one slanting line from the exact middle of that semicircle. Okay, and after that the second one we have to start it into the corners here, and the third one also this side. So you can see like three lines first we have to set, and in between that we have to add the fourth line, and in between this we have to add the fifth line. So just like that, always do slanting lines. Don't start from one side and end it on the other side. It always going to be not proper. Okay, so always make it like this way. First make the center lines and then fill in between lines. Okay, so when next time when you're drawing sun or sun rays, keep doing like this, then it will help you to make the arrangement properly. Now I'm filling too many lines. Now I'm going to add an irregular wavy line or a bit of cloud line also, a mix of these two uh, for that land area or that bushes we have shown in the initial picture. Okay, so just make two more lines in the bottom part like this way. And I'm adding some flowers. So for that I'm just making a U shape and connecting the top with a cloud lines like that. Some kind of silly flowers. You can just do even spirals also will looks good for this section. Anything is fine for you. Okay, or you can even make a pretty flower, no problem. And now I'm starting with another big spiral this way for the waves. Okay, and adding another small spiral here, and we have to add one more in between medium spiral also I'm adding. So make it in this way and connect by adding too many lines also. Slowly you can do it. And once that is done, you have to fill this section with a lot of wavy lines. Okay, all these areas of water. So, and when you are making this wavy lines, try to make it horizontally or slightly slanting also fine. And you can overlap and make a lot of sections in between. Okay, like you can overlap it, you can, but don't overlap our that spiral waves. Everything else can be overlapped and make a lot of layers. Now that's it, the drawing part is done. Now we will start outlining. All right, and I'm just erasing these pencil marks also. So after that, we are taking the primary colors in color pencils. Okay, so the yellow, the blue, and red. So starting with the yellow for the sun. See, dears, now here it's a circular section, so you can use a circular strokes, or you can see like it's a little bit bigger area, right? So this curvy kind of strokes also totally fine, but when you're doing, do it like this, partly but one directional stroke, and make sure you are filling that complete area. And you also not the place where I'm holding this pencil, okay, not on the tip, that will make it difficult. Keep it a little bit up and do slowly, okay, and gently fill it and keep on doing. And as I said, don't put too much pressure on your hand, then you will feel tired fast. So what you have to do is do it slowly and do it repeatedly over and over again till the that area is completely filled. Okay, so now I'm almost done, and I will fill the section of rays also. And for the rays, we are planning to do it like yellow and orange and then red, like that. So what I'm going to do is I will do it in that pattern: yellow, then next section orange, next section red, then again yellow, like ABC pattern. Okay, so I'll start with the yellow here, then B and C I will leave, then again A for yellow. Maybe you can just mark it initially itself so that you will not miss it. Okay, Now we'll do with the red and then following orange. For filling orange, we are taking blue color because orange is a part of secondary color. I'm planning to fill all the primary colors first. So leaving that orange there, filling blue first, okay? Because it's a primary color, but you can choose that orange also totally fine. But just remember that the orange is a secondary color. Also, when you're filling this blue color, leave some spaces in between gaps also, okay? Like we are not going to completely fill this water with light blue, like alternatively or like ABC pattern you can leave. As much as how many colors, blue shades you have. Just pick all the blue colors in your color pencil set and count the numbers and leave as much gap as you want to fill all these colors, okay? Because it's the blue color is the primary color, and if so you can use all shades of blue. All the primary colors are done. Now we are switching to the secondary colors. They are orange, green and purple or violet. So I'm taking the green color first for that bushy parts, and then I will fill the remaining ray with orange color, and after that purple color for the flowers. This is how we are going to do the secondary colors. And you can see some gaps in the waves I left. Actually that is for adding some dark blue, and some section in the bush I will be doing dark green as well. So here I am filling the second part with dark blue, and now I'm choosing a medium blue or aqua color for this remaining section. So like this, how many colors you have, just pick it and fill it, okay? And also one more thing I will show you. Once you finish filling all these sections, like now you can see that water area is completely filled blue shades like a dark blue, light blue and an aqua blue. So once you finish it, pick the lightest shade you have used, that means the light blue here, and just completely fill that area once again, okay? Or just do some strokes over it. It will help to cover if any white spaces are there. Also it will make a blended feeling, also it will give you a blended feeling also. So it is as easy. Once you finish coloring a section, pick the light color used in that area, especially if you are using the same hue. That means if you are using blue only and different shades of blue, you can just pick that blue, light blue, and just do it again. I'll show you once I finish this. And similarly you can do that yellow on the top area also, and light green on the bottom area also, okay? I'll show that. Yeah, see, like this we can do once again over this light blue, dark blue, every area. So if any simple or small white area is left, it will be covered. That's it, our drawing part is done. If you got any doubt, just send me on my WhatsApp, and also submit me your work. So if any correction, I can tell you. And that's it, dears. Take care.